Former PNP government minister Dr. Paul Robertson has passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Former government minister Dr. Paul Robertson has passed away. In a statement Saturday evening, the People's National Party PNP said that Mr. Robertson died at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital following a brief illness. Robertson held several positions in the leadership of the party, including Deputy General Secretary and General Secretary. During his time in government, Dr. Paul Robertson served in numerous capacities, which include Member of Parliament for South East St. Catherine from 1993 to 2007, Government Minister, Senator, PNP Vice President, PNP General Secretary, and he also worked at the Port Authority of Jamaica. We express sincere condolences to the family and friends of friends and loved ones of Dr. Paul Robertson, said a PNP spokesperson in a statement. Current PNP President Mark Golin hailed Robertson as a man of great integrity. I am greatly saddened by the news of the passing of Dr. Paul Robertson, a former General Secretary of the party and a Minister of Government and a patriotic Jamaican. Dr. Paul Robertson was a man of great integrity, whose contribution to our party and Jamaica's democracy was eminent, wrote Golin via a Facebook account post. I am glad we got the opportunity to have great conversation last month. Condolences to his family, friends, and colleagues. May his soul rest in power, the opposition leader said. After assuming the role of PNP General Secretary, he went on to become the Vice President of the political movement in 2003. As a member of the cabinet, Robertson served as Minister of Industry and Investment, Minister of Foreign Affairs, and Minister of Development. He retired from representational politics in 2007, but worked alongside Ms. Maxine Henry Wilson in the party's general election campaign that year. We saw the party failing to retain a fifth consecutive term in government. In the latter life, he also worked as a lecturer at the university and also was appointed a senior position at the Port Authority of Jamaica in 2012. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.